Hello friends, it's Snoopy. I'm working near Nippori Station, Tokyo. I'm going to Shotengai. Yanaka Ginza Shotengai. Shotengai are Japanese commercial districts. Yanaka Ginza is about a 5-minute walk from JR Nippori Station. I went to both Yanaka Ginza Shopping Street and Yanaka Cemetery. Check the description to watch a video about Yanaka Cemetery. Yanaka Ginza is almost there. In the Edo period, Yanaka was a temple town. People visited here as a holiday destination to visit the cemetery of their ancestors. From the Meiji era onwards, merchants and traders moved into the area, creating a residential area. The area was spared from war damage in the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923. However, during the Edo period, the valley on the plateau was utilized to make the narrow streets even narrower and the roads even more complicated, making the town difficult for enemies to penetrate, which made it difficult to demarcate. As a result, even today, the town has not developed in the infrastructure for a modern city. The view from these staircases is famous for its beautiful view at the sunset time. There is still time before sunset, so I'll be back here later. Shotengai, Japanese commercial districts, have a long history and have existed in many areas of Japan since the Heian period. After the Second World War, many small shops that could be started with a small capital were established, forming Shotengai. In these decades, Shotengais are declining, partly due to the rise of convenience stores and shopping malls. Against this background, some shopping arcades have succeeded by turning them into tourist attractions. In fact, the Yanaka Ginza is a popular tourist destination, having recently been the setting for a TV drama. Tokyo has many major tourist attractions such as Ueno Park, Asakusa, and the Shibuya Crossing. Many foreigners who come to Yanaka Ginza want to get a glimpse of ordinary Japanese life rather than Tokyo as such a tourist destination. The street is about 107 meters long, flanked by some 70 shops. There are plenty of street food, skewered grilled kushiyaki, and deep-fried snacks to sample along the way. Yanaka is known as a cat town. Walking around Yanaka Ginza, you won't see a real cat, but in the past there were many stray cats in the back alleys. The alleys in this area are so narrow that cars cannot drive through them. And there are temples and cemeteries in the area, which makes comfortable for cats. Anyway, cats makes up an essential component of Yanaka Ginza. This is the end of Yanaka Ginza. I have some time before sunset, so I will take a tea break. There are some coffee shops near here. Mr. Pigeon is leading me. I will follow you. I like back alleys like here. A lot of tourists came out of the house over there. I decided to stay at another cafe near the coffee factory garden after all. This is the coffee factory garden's branch. This is very cozy and quiet. I'm going to have black tea made from Japanese tea leaves. The tea is brewed in a kusu, a Japanese teapot. I had a soothing tea time here before the sunset. After the tea break, I'm going to get back to the staircase. By the way, did you know there are Shichifuku Neko in this neighborhood? Shichifuku Neko means 7 lucky cats in Japanese. There are 7 cats on this street. It is fun to walk around and find them. These cats are 2 of them. I wanted to enjoy street food, but I'm not hungry. Instead, I found a lovely countless shop. French-looking people were taking photos of the shop. I bought plain and dried tomato flavors. It was very first time to eating savory cannoli. The rich smell of dried tomato was very pleasant and it was very new to me. This staircase is called Yuyake Dandan. It literally means sunset staircase in Japanese. The name Yuyake Dandan was chosen from a public competition. It is almost sunset time and I am back here. It's a beautiful day, so we'll probably get a great view. These stone steps lead down to the classic mid-20th century shopping street Yanaka Ginza. I'm here for this great view. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm also taking requests. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね。